On this video, let's have more occupations or jobs in Tagalog. Let's start! Guro, guro. Also, some pronounce the word as guro, guro. Also, titser, titser. Litratista, litratista. Piloto, piloto. Cartero, cartero. Guardia, guardia. Minero, minero. Yaya, yaya. Driver, driver. Tubero, tubero. Labandera, labandera. Bangkero, bangkero. Maninisid, maninisid. Manlililok, manlililok. Mensahero, mensahero. Bumbero, bumbero. Sekretarya, sekretarya. Investigador, investigador. Zapatero, zapatero. Manunulat, manunulat. Alahera, alahera. Or if it's a male, alahero, alahero. Artista, artista. Direktor, direktor. Propesor, propesor. Manganganta, manganganta. Another word for singer is mang-aawit, mang-aawit. Kumadrona, kumadrona. That's all for today's video. If you haven't seen my first video about occupations or jobs in Tagalog, you can watch it here, and of course, I have included some of my other videos. Until next time!